Today we are going to learn about long division without remainders. There's a nice acronym that helps us remember the steps to long division. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers rare? D stands for divide, M stands for multiply, S stands for subtract, C stands for check, B stands for bring down, and R stands for repeat, where we start the steps all over again. So let's look at the number 62 divided by 2. Notice how I've written this number. We have our division bar. Our dividend is our bigger number that goes underneath our bar, which is 62. Our divisor is 2. It's what we're dividing the number by. How many equal groups we're splitting 62 into. Our first step is to divide. So we look at the first digit in our dividend, which is 6. And we divide it by our divisor. What's 6 divided by 2?